Just received a signal from ITM Financial regarding this particular diagonal pattern that's forming on the charts here on the Euro USD. I'm currently looking at the 5-minute chart just so I can get a closer look and study this a bit better to make the move that's been suggested by ITM Financial. In this case, the move suggested has been is long, and the reason for that is that what you're looking at on screen is a classic example of a diverging diagonal in the midst of a wave 5 correction. ITM Financial recognizes this pattern, and what happens when such patterns form is that eventually there is a breakout that happens, which means the price moves aggressively in another direction, as you can see, in the opposite direction of the current trend. If you look at the current trend, it's downwards, but the breakout will be in the opposite direction, which means that the market is now realizing that this particular pair is heavily oversold, and the market now needs to buy back into this pair, and that's exactly what we're seeing happen here. ITM Financials predicted this with 100% accuracy, and that is that the trend has lost steam, is now changing direction, and we're already starting to see that it is based on this diagonal now being breached by the price action. So we're going to put forward a long position right now and try and capture at least 300-400 pips upwards in this move, because what I can tell you from this prediction by ITM Financial is that this will be a very aggressive reversal in the upwards direction. So if you're trading right now watching this pair at 1.36-ish, you'd best be going long, because you're going to capture quite a few hundred pips along the way up. Now, just a few minutes after that last video was recorded, the trend has indeed gone in the direction predicted by ITM Financial, and we're up by between $10 and $13 in profit at the moment. This breakout is just forming now and will keep moving in this direction, so we're going to ride it for as long as we can and exit at the highest peak it reaches, making, I imagine, about if it's a short one, then it'd be about $60 to $80 in profit. If it's a fairly extended one, which it's quite likely to be, then it's most likely to be above $100 in profit. We'll come back with a video on that one as well, but again, another signal that's gone ahead and proved very profitable. Shortly after the last video, where we were pointing out the breakout that ITM Financial had signaled, as you can see, my prediction at the time was that we'll be around the $60 or above mark in profit, and indeed we are at that point at present. The trend is continuing upwards. According to the ITM signal, this appears to be an extended, potentially extended third wave, and if it is, then we'll see an even higher profit very shortly. We'll come back to you with more videos to showcase this, and as you can see, the power of a timely signal is pretty much all you need in order for you to go ahead and place successful trades. ITM Financial is a very powerful signaling platform. It's capable of telling you what to trade, when to trade it, and how long to hold it for. So it's pretty much one of the key components of any financial trader's arsenal.